What if you wake up one day and you suddenly had the urge and ask yourself, I really wanted to create my own PC gaming setup from scratch, but I'm too lazy to build my own. Have you ever wondered if there really is a place that we can go to and just shop and find all the components and parts that we need to build our own gaming setup from scratch? We're not building our own PC here. What we're trying to find out is that if there is a place that I can go to right now and find all the components that I will need in order to assemble my PC gaming setup without building one. Well, that's what we're here to find out today. I went to 4 different big box stores here in the United States to see if we can find all the components that we need in order to assemble our PC gaming setup. And no, I did not include Micro Center on the list. Because in Micro Center, yes, you can find all the components that you need, but we need to build the PC. But our goal is to find that one place where we can find all the components that we need in order to assemble our PC gaming setup. We're talking about the pre-built PC, monitors, keyboards, mouse, and it will be an additional bonus to the place if there is also available desk, chairs, and even PC speakers. So, why don't you join me and visit all these big box stores and see if we can find that one place where all the components that we need for a PC gaming setup is available. Are you ready? Let's go! Our first stop is Costco, a place where we can find not only a variety of different groceries and appliances that we can buy in bulk, but from the recent times, it has a lot of choices when it comes to electronics and other gadgets as well. We can find cell phones, laptops, smartwatch, and of course, what we are trying to find out here are gaming PCs. So we can find a variety of gaming PCs and monitors here, which we can see here. We have the Samsung Curve monitor, the LG ultra-wide monitor. We also have some monitors from MSI and Acer, which are all decent monitors that we can build in our setup. But most importantly, we need to find that gaming PC that we need in order for us to assemble our gaming setup. But do they have it here? And of course, they do. We have here the Cyber PC Extreme Gaming Desktop, which is a pre-built PC, and it has an i5-14400F processor inside, with 2 TB of solid-state drive and 32 GB of DDR5 memory, which looks good. It also has an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, which will yield us great graphics and great performance with its 8 GB VRAM. It also has a built-in Wi-Fi, and it already includes keyboard and mouse. And with its price tag of $1,000, which is down $400 from its retail price of $1,400, I think this is a good buy. And I also found some potential table and chair for our setup, but I wouldn't call this a gaming setup by any chance. And I also didn't see any keyboards and mouse or other peripherals that we can use in our gaming setup. So we need to take note of that as we visit the other places on our list. Our next stop is Staples, the office superstore. And as the name suggests, Staples is one of the staple big box stores here in the United States. No pun intended. This is a place where you can get almost everything that you need for your office, like laptop, PCs, printers, and all the components and peripherals that you may need in your office as your office supplies. But sadly, looking around here in Staples, I did not manage to find any gaming PCs. Although I did find a lot of laptops where maybe we can try to find and see if there are some specs that we can use for gaming, and there are also some all-in-one PCs and some desktops as well. But based on the specs, we cannot use this as gaming PC since it doesn't have its own dedicated graphics. But there are a lot of monitors to choose from. We can find different types of monitors here, from Samsung to MSI to Acer, and all those in between. We can also find a lot of the gaming peripherals that we need, like mouse, keyboards, speakers, and some headsets as well. We can also find monitor arms, which is cool, and some other parts that we might need in our PC setup. Unlike Costco, we can find some decent office chairs and some gaming chairs here as well. I also found some tables which we can use in our setup. But again, even though we have all of these peripherals, even the monitor and speakers and keyboards and mouse, we did not manage to find a gaming PC that we can use in staples, which is one of the major parts in the build that we are trying to find today. And next on our list of big box stores is Best Buy. I actually have a lot of hope here in Best Buy because I know that I can even find parts, even PC case, RAMs, or storage and buy it at Best Buy. So hopefully we can find all the components that we need in order to assemble our PC setup. Coming into Best Buy, a good sign is that I already found a lot of different laptops and a lot of different desktops on my way in. I also found a lot of the big brand names in desktop here like Lenovo and Alienware. But they also carry other brands for desktop like the CyberPower PC and the iBuyPower, where we can find comparable specs like the one we did in Costco. I was also welcomed by the different types and sizes of monitors that they carry in their store. We can find different refresh rates monitors and even the high-end monitors here in this store. But the cherry on top, if I may say, is their wide selection of peripherals from keyboards, mouse, headsets, and even speakers for our PC gaming setup. Different brands from SteelSeries, Corsair, HyperRX, and some other name brands. It's a bit sad though that I can only find this type of desk in the store, which is not even a proper gaming PC desk. And it also doesn't have any price in it. As for gaming chairs, I did find a brochure, but I'm not even sure if I can take it home right away if I buy this. Overall, I think we can find almost all that we need in our PC setup here at Best Buy. For our final stop on our list of our big box stores, we are here now at Walmart. Let's find out if we can find all the things that we need in order to assemble our gaming PC setup. Coming into the electronics sections of Walmart, we can see that there are a lot of different options for electronics and gadgets like for the PS5, Nintendo Switch, and other accessories. And after some time of looking around, I finally found two gaming PCs from CyberPower with different specs, and I think that we can choose one of these and it is comparable with the other desktop PCs that we found on the other big box stores. I also found different types of monitors here. We can find some off-brands monitor and also monitors from the big brands like Samsung. We can also find different types of peripherals here like your mouse, keyboards, headset, and some speakers as well. Even other gaming peripherals like microphones is available here at Walmart. As for a PC desk, I think we can find a few selections that we can use in our setup here at Walmart, and the price is quite okay for these kinds of tables for our PC. I also found some PC chairs and some gaming chairs as well here at Walmart. And I think we have ticked off almost everything, or if not, everything on our checklist in Walmart. So, what do you guys think? I think it is a safe bet to go to Walmart and find all that components that you need in order to build or assemble your gaming PC setup, as they have everything from your gaming PC, monitors, peripherals like your keyboards and mouse, speakers, and even headsets if you need them. And they also have a couple of options for your desk and for your gaming PC chair. And for our honorable mention, I think if you are still okay to visit at least 2 stores, you might want to consider going to Best Buy for your gaming PC monitor, and peripherals, and go to another store, maybe like IKEA or Home Depot, for your desk and for your chair. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and maybe watch some more of our videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!